Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull, bear, point, and figure market breadth summary chart for January 28, 2018. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull, bear, point, and figure ratio at 1.74 rose from 1.60 last week, advancing within bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns increased 2% to 3,529. The count of bearish stocks decreased 3%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 5%. The Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 22 weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email free of charge, simply enter your name and your email address in the spaces provided and click Subscribe. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 66 points for the seventh advance in 15 weeks. At a positive 446.88 points, it has risen above the December 2016 high and continues above the February 2017, May 2016, and July 2017 highs, and below the three remaining tops in the last 30 months. And it continues above all four bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in accumulation mode, with average daily volume higher than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 4 accumulation days and 2 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily in a Woody's uptrend is now at a positive 126.39, up slightly from a positive 125.48 last week. At Friday 12/29 close, the CCI 20 daily was within the plus or minus 50 range, presenting a zero-line reject pivot and long entry signal at Tuesday 1/2 open. We will follow the results of this trade simulation in next week's commentary and plan to exit when the CCI 20 daily falls below plus 100. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 91 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 21 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly, at a positive 193.44, is up from a positive 174.49 last week, after forming a zero-line reject long entry signal for Tuesday 9/5 open. Our rule is to stay in the trade until the CCI 20 drops below plus 100. We will continue to follow the result of this trade simulation in next week's commentary. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and 4 of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: S&P Retail and some tech on top. Oil services, brokers, and some tech on the bottom. Bullish: S&P Retail and computer hardware continue in the top 5. Disk drives and semis have entered the top 5. Oil services has entered the bottom 5. REITs has left the bottom 5. Bearish: brokers and networkers have entered the bottom 5. Focus this week from youtube.com, Project Camelot channel, streamed live on January 26, 2018, PALADIN, Secret Government, Deep State Funding, White Hats Report. Hashtag Arrest the Fed, spread the word. We the people need to make sure the storm includes exposing the fraudulent global monetary system. Kerry talks with PALADIN about the White Hat Report's investigations into high-yield trading programs, cryptocurrency, following the money down the rabbit hole of how the secret space program / secret government is funded. Go to www.whitehatsreport.com for more info. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are ready for the storm that might come this week with the President's State of the Union address, and that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up. As always, we wish you true success.